I'm Chris Sutcliffe, and this is How to Do the Thing. And today we're going to learn a quick tip with drop-down lists. Let me show you how this is set up. In list 1, we have a data validation looking at this first list of famous Beatles. List 2 is looking at the same, but is looking at them in list 2. For the sake of this, we don't want there to be the same value in both lists. So what you can see in my list 2 is that I've got if list 1 contains John, for example, then it'll be empty. Otherwise, John will be in this list. So what we can do is set this to Ringo here. And you'll see that Ringo disappears. Now when we look at list 2, not only is Ringo not in this list, but there's also not a gap where Ringo should be, which is very nice. It means that you can basically customize your list and have conditional formatting or if statements in your list to mean that they won't show up in your data validation. It's really useful when building more complex spreadsheets. You can now do the thing.